So, good evening, ma'am. So, this is my critic analysis on gender and society. So, first, introduction. Gender and society are intrinsically linked concepts that have evolved over time. So, understanding the dynamics between gender roles, expectations, and societal structures is crucial for analyzing how these elements interact and influence individual behaviors and societal norms. So, importante jud kayo ang gender and society sa atong kinabuhi kay mo ni ang mag-develop sa atoa para masabtan pa nato kung unsa ka important ang gender sa society. This critic will explore the relationship between gender and society by examining how they shape each other, drawing from various sociological perspectives. So, through this gender and society, mahibaw-an nato kung paunsa ang relasyon nila, nganong dako kay impact ang gender sa society. So, summary. The study of gender and society involves examining, defining, and perpetuate gender rules. Historically, societies have assigned distinct rules to individuals based on their gender, which has led to the establishment of norms and expectations that often limit personal freedom and opportunities. So these rules are not static. They evolve with changes in societal values and economic needs. For instance, the shift from agrarian to industrial societies has altered traditional gender rules, with more women entering the workforce and men taking on domestic responsibilities. So, analysis. From a perspective, the intersection between gender and society can be analyzed through several key points. So first, gender is a social construct that varies across different cultures and historical periods. This means that what is considered masculine or feminine over time and offer from one society to another. Second, the concept of performativity introduced by Judith Butler suggests that gender is sometimes we do rather than sometimes we are. This performative nature of gender highlights how individuals embody and perform their gender identities in everyone, which in turn influence their interactions with others and their place with societal structures. So, conclusion. In conclusion, the relationship between gender and society is complex and dynamic. It is shaped by historical context, cultural values, and economic changes. Understanding this relationship requires a nuanced examination of how gender roles are constructed, performed, and challenged within societal frameworks. By recognizing the fluidity and diversity of gender identities, society can move towards a more inclusive and equitable future, where individuals are free to express their identities without constraints. So that's all, and thank you.